Hello everyone, my name is Torun. Once again, welcome to PE Worlds. Perhaps you are aware with the terms stress, anxiety, and depression. And sometimes we use these terms to define our physical and mental state, and we confuse. That's why it is important to know what is stress, anxiety, and depression distinctly. Here in this video, I am going to talk about these terms in detail. Therefore, I would request you to watch the entire video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Let's start with the term stress. Stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to cope up with the physical, mental, and emotional pressure. Stress can be best explained with the experience of overtraining in sports. If an athlete is not being able to cope up with the training imposed, he or she is under stressful condition, physically, mentally, and emotionally. The physical symptoms of stress are aches and pains, dizziness and blood pressure, exhaustion and trouble sleeping. Mental symptoms are depression, anxiety, anger, irritability, restlessness, loss of concentration, loss of memory, and indecisiveness, and lots more. Now, let's understand what anxiety is. Anxiety is the stress that continues even after the stressor is removed. It is a performer's negative reaction to stress, causing a feeling of worried, nervous, and apprehensive. American Psychological Association defines anxiety as an emotion characterized by the feelings of tension, worried thoughts, and physical changes like high blood pressure. The anxiety can be best understood with the two terms, cognitive anxiety and somatic anxiety. Cognitive anxiety is the mental symptoms that a performer feels, like fear, worry, or doubts. It can be best understood when an athlete is in a state of under arousal or in over arousal. Now, the somatic anxiety. Somatic anxiety are the physical symptoms of the performers like butterflies in the stomach, dry mouth, increased heart rate, increased breathing, nausea, sweaty palms, and tremor. Some of the somatic symptoms of anxiety are results of the body's response to arousal, which is caused by the excitement of a match, tournament, or event. The hormone adrenaline plays an important role in this response. The adrenal glands, which are found just above our kidneys, releases the hormone called adrenaline in our bloodstream, and that causes our increased heart rate and increased respiration and muscle tension. Now let's understand what depression is. Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Depression can cause the feeling of sadness, loss of interest in the activities once you enjoy it. Depression can lead a variety of emotional and physical problems. Even it can lead to malfunctioning of the organs and systems of the human body. The symptoms of depression can vary from mild to severe, which includes loss of appetite, weight gain or loss, which are no way related to dieting, trouble sleeping or too much sleep, increased fatigue, decreased energy, increased purposeless activities like not being able to sit still, pacing, hand wringing, slowed movements and speech, feeling of worthlessness and guilty, difficulty in thinking, concentrating, and decision making, and thoughts of death and suicide. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. And do not forget to like and comment.